Hi, this is Amanpreet Wahi, and we are on Edge Talks, your favorite channel. And we have the stunning beauty in red, Alankrita Sahai, and with her is the designer,
Arshmeet Rathor.
Arshmeet. Congratulations on your first show. Please tell us, how was the overall experience working with Times Lifestyle Week?
Okay, well, it was very overwhelming, like I've said so many times. Very hectic. We all know how backstage is, but this is what I chose for myself because I love it. I love
the chaos.
I love the chaos. I love the end product. I love when it takes over the ramp and it's all just glamour. We definitely work really hard for it, but I think the feeling is just so great. I don't have words for that feeling.
What about you, Alankrita?
I think I've never really worn a short red dress like this with like a really long trail. No, because whenever I'm show stopping, I've heard designers give me gowns or something else, and I was a little taken aback when she's like, we're changing your gown? We're giving you a dress. And I was like, I'm not sure, but I think her design is not loud. It's like I said, the name of a collection is Sundowner for this one, and I think the silhouette, the fall, the embodiment of luxury and grace at the same time for me feels really good because I'm comfortable. I'm not thinking, this is showing, this is going to be a problem. I'm at a Sundowner shipping on champagne in some part of Sicily or Spain.
Next to me.
We're going to be like, cheers, Arshmeet, thank you for your outfit. But the point is that Indians are exploring the idea of, be it loungewear, or be it bikini wear, or be it resort wear, or be it sundowner outfits, we want to experiment and look graceful at the same time. And I think it's very important that, the younger generation is coming up with ideas for us to experiment and for everybody to kind of get together and be comfortable in their own skin. It's not always showing your skin that kind of has to be what the idea of beachwear or a sundowner is. So changing the idea of that and the notion of that, I think it's great that you've come up with this. And I'm definitely going to be wearing another red color or another yellow. But thank you so much for bringing this to life and making me a part of your show. I'm really happy and grateful.
Thank you so much.
So how was the whole experience of seeing your hard work finally on model?
Before the models were walking in and Alankrita had to go in, I really saw my mother sitting in the front row and I just stopped myself from crying because, it was so overwhelming. And, she gave me a hug. And
I love the way when students work so hard, you put your heart and soul into it, and it's always a pleasure to work for students from IIFT especially.
I feel like, sometimes when you can be bullied, right?
Yeah.
I mean, to be very honest, children can be bullied, the younger youth can be bullied by somebody elder to you, and we've all seen that, been there, done that, and overcome that. So I'm like this protective mama bear whenever she was going. I'm like, no, you can't stop her. She's a designer. Respect her, because I believe every hard work, every minute, every notion, every money spent, every hour spent, and every moment of your parents' belief in you spent has to be rewarded with respect, regardless of the amount of financial abundance you gain in the future. But in that moment, everybody should be respecting you, whether we are seniors, it's me as a showstopper, the media, anybody. They should have respect for an artist at the end of the day. And I think that's very important when you pave your niche forward, is that no matter where you go, how you do things, it's how you speak to people and how you treat them, regardless of who you are. And for me, walking for her and seeing her hard work, seeing her video, I was like, oh my God, you guys are really good and fast. I wish we had so much of, AI and opportunities. And, besides the technology, it's the mind, it's the support, and it's the vision.
So lovely. So just my very last question, how was the whole experience working for Times Lifestyle Week?
it was great. Some things, obviously, backstage, ups and downs, but obviously I loved and I would definitely look forward to more Times show. So yeah.
I've been a part of Times family since I was Miss India, so I always say I love you guys. Thank you so much for pushing and paving the way forward, and lots of love.
Lovely. Thank you so much. Thank you, Arshmeet, and her stunning, stunning, stunning news, Alankrita. Thank you so much.